Hello again. I thought that I would post a shorter video with advice for the holidays with Trumper relatives, because I know that a number of people are in the situation of having Trumper relatives, and it is a challenging and I would say delicate dance for um, going through such a like a holiday like Christmas when it's such a time for family to be together, and just the expectation is just to be surrounded with love and sharing love. And I mean, it this would be a particularly challenging Christmas to be able to share love, um you know if it's with somebody who voted Trump in. So I want to acknowledge that. And so my first advice is a funny thing for me to say: don't fight with them. um, the law of attraction, you know, the universe does not hear the words no or not. So by my saying don't fight, I'm kind of saying fight with them. But I do not want you to fight with them. I want you to focus on building your well being and your resilience. That is just the number one concern right now, is build your well being, really nurture and nourish your well being and your resilience. That is so important right now. And what this could mean is allowing yourself a little more alone time than you would normally have during the Christmas holidays. I'm not celebrating Christmas this year. I'm doing a 1 week retreat. I'm a Buddhist. I do not feel like I'm missing out on anything. And I love my retreat time. It is such a time when I'm able to attend so exquisitely to myself. And I'm really able to come into a place of balance and nurturing myself after working really hard, for, the past period. And so, wanted to put out there, allow yourself more alone time if you would really like that. Allow things to be a little different than maybe they've been at other family holidays. Allow that. And the other thing I wanted to say is that if you need to fight with your relative, then do fight. I'm not wanting to, put something over your mouth saying you cannot fight. If you really feel like you need to get into a fight, then you can get into a fight and maybe just observe, how did you feel afterwards? Did you feel like you just spent all your energy and it takes a couple of days for your nervous system to get back into, any kind of working order? Or, was there something empowering that happened in that fight? I'm a big believer in allowing ourselves to make mistakes. So many people, I mean, we're taught in our society that, you shouldn't make mistakes. And I really think that women more than men are really cursed with that mandate of never make a mistake. In fact, we can learn much more from making a mistake. If you do something perfectly the first time, you are not going to learn it the way that you'll learn it if you fail horribly the first time you did something and then you had to look at, well, what do I need to do differently to be able to succeed? You will learn it so much better. So I'm actually a big proponent of making mistakes and failing. The key thing is just to look at what happened and what do you have to learn from that, and how could you do things a little differently the next time. So I hope that there's something there for you that might be helpful in terms of spending holidays with Trumper relatives or Trumper friends. And ultimately, the end game is that we want to create a beautiful, peaceful world with everyone in it, which is going to include all of these people. So let's hold that sort of larger space of vision for where all of us are going. Okay. I will be posting a greeting. I'm going to schedule it for Christmas, but I feel moved to say right now, I'm wishing you a happy holiday.